for this installment of Your Energy Tune Up. Your task is this. Begin by asking, Universe, show me something beautiful today. Show me something beautiful. And then begin to actually look and acknowledge the beauty that does show up. And then drop your barriers and receive from the molecules of everything around you and all of the beauty that's showing up. Alright? And I would love to hear what this experience is like for you. Have fun with it, and until we meet again, may all of life come to you with ease and joy and glory.